In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate hatches in AutoCAD. If you've ever used the hatch command in AutoCAD, you might have noticed that it automatically groups multiple hatches together when you create them in a single operation, even if they are not connected and are distinct entities. This can be a bit frustrating when you need to manipulate these hatches individually. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the straightforward process of separating them so you can have more control over your design elements. Now, let's get started. First, when you're using the hatch command and you've created your hatches all at once, you might see that they're grouped together. But if you need to handle these hatches independently, there's a simple way to make that happen. What you need to do is click on the hatch that you've just created. This selection will activate the Hatch Creation panel. You might be wondering about the Hatch Creation panel and where it's located. Don't worry, it's typically part of the interface that appears at the top when you have a hatch selected, offering various hatch-related options. Once you have your hatch selected and the panel is visible, look for the Options section. It might take a moment to locate the word Options, but it's there, a little button that's your key to unlocking more functionality. Give it a click and you will see a drop-down menu with additional settings available. In the options that appear, look for the Separate Hatches selection. By default, AutoCAD groups them together, but this switch will allow you to treat each hatch as its own separate entity. Click on Separate Hatches and instantly your hatches are now independent from one another. This means you can move, modify, or delete them without affecting the other hatches that were created at the same time. And just like that, you've successfully separated your hatches. This little trick can be incredibly useful, especially when working on complex drawings that require a lot of precision. Now, each hatch can be adjusted without any unintended changes to its neighbours, which can make your workflow much more efficient. I hope this simple process helps you in managing hatches in your AutoCAD projects. By being able to separate these hatches, you gain the flexibility to adjust your designs more precisely to your requirements. It's these small adjustments that can make a big difference in how you interact with your work in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing to hone your AutoCAD skills even further.